Oh, okay, stop. Sorry. Hey, let's go back and do it again. On today's episode of BETV, we're going to be talking all about our breakfast sausage, how to make really good biscuits and gravy, and we're also going to head over to Ben and I's favorite neighborhood coffee shop, Dose, in East Nashville. They teamed up with Guerilla Biscuits, the best vegan biscuits I've ever had, to make a really, really dope vegan breakfast sandwich. So we're going to go over there, talk to Ryan and Tara at Dose about that sandwich, and then we're probably going to go head out and hang out with Zach and Allie too at Guerilla Biscuits headquarters and talk to them a little bit about that stuff. Cool. Thanks. Gravy.
So the West Side opened in 2009 in what used to be one of the Portland Brew spots. The owner ended up changing it, making it his own shop. And then this location specifically opened in 2016. And that was mainly because he was interested in really expanding the menu. As we've expanded into the community, one big thing that we've noticed is so many vegans and vegetarians.
Right.
So we always have tried to keep at least like 1 or 2 vegan, vegetarian
That everything
options.
cookie is so good.
The everything cookie
is
knocks.
everything.
It slaps.
It is everything.
But we're always looking to expand that, and we're for sure dialed into supporting local businesses.
Yeah.
That's kind of their MO as well. So
Right.
that's where you guys come in.
Right.
We are offering the vegan biscuit sandwich. It's from Guerilla Biscuits.
Mm-hmm.
This is a mad shout out to Zach and Allie.
Yeah.
Because they are holding it down and making the best vegan biscuit I've ever had. So we have that on our menu right now. It is a loaded biscuit with the BE-Hive sausage, the Just Egg patty, and then we whipped up a vegan remoulade. It is selling insanely well. We have a lot of people coming in specifically asking just for it.
Yeah. And so it's cool because you guys also serve like eggs and
Oh, for
real meat
sure.
too, but like have you noticed having the options to have like the vegan options kind of just like bring in new clientele and just like do people switch that way? Or?
Absolutely. I mean, even since we first opened, we did all, like I said, we've always had solid vegetarian options. Vegan, it's been like 1 or 2 items.
Yeah.
And that's all we consistently are getting feedback for more and more vegan options. So we've just been looking for creative ways to plug into that, and you guys make it easy.
This Just Egg stuff is kind of cool because they're like little eggy breakfast pillows in a square.
Do you want to cheers?
Are you gonna do it or what?
Yeah, 1, 2, 3, go. I forgot how good this is.
We need napkins.
I haven't had it in a while.
Yeah.
I forgot how freaking good it is. This coffee shop is right in between me and Ben's house, actually.
It's perfect.
This is our actual like neighborhood
I came here this morning.
coffee shop. They have the best iced coffee. They have wonderful cocktails. They have really
Regular
good
coffee.
food. Tons of vegan options.
It's just really tight when like Omni restaurants are able to include vegan options within their regular menu, making it more accessible.
For our biscuits and gravy today, we're gonna use the best biscuits, the best vegan biscuits ever, Guerilla Biscuits. Vegan biscuit. These are the straight edge ones. They're just a plain buttermilk biscuit. To make those, we're gonna put them on this sheet. You set your oven to 420 and you cook them for 20 minutes. Every 5 minutes, you're gonna rotate them. While we're cooking these, let's head over to Guerilla Biscuits headquarters and see how they make these amazing treats. Hi! It's Allie and Zach. Guerilla Biscuits. Let's make some friggin' let's make a biscuit. When did you start deciding you were gonna do this?
I lost my job because of the tornado. He got laid off like the week after, I think. And then we were just like baking stuff around the house, like making banana bread. So then we were just like making shit. We made good biscuits. He was already known as Bizkits, so we were just like, biscuits. That's it. When we started, we wanted to learn everything that we could about biscuits, so we were watching anybody that we could possibly think of make them on YouTube or like the Food Network or just like reading recipes. And then we spent like 2 weeks just reading about that chemical reaction between the flour, the gluten, and the butter right when it gets really cold going into the oven. So that initial reaction of it going into the oven is what's gonna make it just like pop up, basically. So it makes biscuits rise.
I don't know if you know this, but we live in Tennessee. It's the South, and we like biscuits and gravy. I can't help myself but want to talk about a freaking food fact. It used to be called sawmill gravy because lumberers in South Appalachia would make this as a way of getting like good, cheap, hearty food, biscuits and gravy. It's a thick, like milky white gravy. That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna put some oil in the pan, get it kind of like a good like medium high. Our breakfast sausage is made with a little bit of quinoa in it too, and it kind of has like a dope chew to it, kind of similar to the fat in a meat sausage. We crumbled it up already. You have to be patient with this. You want to get some good browning on here. If your chunks are looking a little too big for your liking, just go up in there and smash them.
Smash them in little bits.
Now that we've got our sausage nice and browned, we're gonna start making the gravy, which we're gonna be doing with some vegan butter, and we're thickening it with flour. So we're gonna put about 4 tablespoons of butter, turn it down a little bit. So we're adding a little bit more fat back into our low-fat, high-protein breakfast sausage. From there, we're gonna take 1/3 cup of flour. You're gonna sprinkle that on there. And we're gonna cook it for a little bit to get that raw flour taste out. Just wanna cook it for like a minute. It's gonna be bubbling. And then once you've cooked your flour for a while and you've got that flour taste out, you've kind of built some like deeper flavors, that is when you're gonna add in your plant milk. I like to use unsweetened soy milk. Please try to get unsweetened milk. If you get like a normal original flavored, it's gonna taste real wacky, and that's not what we're going for here. Just slowly stir it in. This is 4 cups. If you want a thicker gravy, use a little less. If you'd like a thinner gravy, use a little bit more. From here, we're gonna keep heating it and stirring. The flour's working together with the liquid, and it's gonna get all thick and goopy, yummy. As your gravy is thickening, we're gonna add the spices in, which are currently melting in our compostable ramekins. But we have 1/2 tablespoon of garlic powder, 1/2 tablespoon of onion powder. I like a lot of pepper in my gravy. I like a very peppery gravy. Oh, I forgot the nooch. Here, stir this. Thank you. Let me go get some nooch. All right, here we go. Oh, yeah, there we go. Thank you. Teamwork. You don't want it boiling, though. Like, I kind of took it a little too far there. Oh, here we go, here we go. It's looking good now. We're thickening. We're getting there. Biscuits are done. Oh, baby. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby. We're gonna break it open. Wow, it's beautiful. And now we have our thick, flippin' gravy. Oh, baby. Oh, sloppy, sloppy, clap, clap. While I'm eating this, I gotta remind y'all that you can get our breakfast sausage at any Southeast region Whole Foods, direct from us, from a bunch of online retailers. And if you're a restaurant and you wanna have this as a really, really good protein-packed vegan option for your restaurant, you can do food service from us as well. And you can make it for a sandwich, whatever. This is really hot. I'm gonna burn my mouth. Oh, it's f***ing good.